Your edit is not bad. Low video quality ruins the edit. Let me show you my exact process to boost video quality. First, you need to use high-quality clips or download the clips in the highest quality available. After downloading the clip, next I import the clip into Efiko app and increase structure to 100 and export the video. Then, I open the Wink app and go to the AI repair option. I select basic mode and import the clip, then set the quality restoration to maximum in portrait mode, and all other settings remain default to avoid over-processing. Once the process is complete, I save the repaired clip. After that, I import the clip into Efiko app again. First, I increase structure to 100% and export the clip. Then I re-import it and add an additional 30 to 100% structure, depending on the footage. For the final touch, I open the Koloro app and apply sharpening between 10 to 30. This keeps the quality clean and professional without making it look over-sharpened. And boom, your video quality is enhanced. If this video will help you, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next video.